Do you think that's what actually happens? Do you want to really see what actually happens? Ah! This isn't awkward at all. Just super normal.
Looks like I have no clothes on. Hey guys, so a completely different kind of video today. Today, instead of showing you all the footage that would normally go into a video, I'm gonna take all the other stuff and show you that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more of these types of videos. Don't forget to click the little subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on when new videos go live every Sunday and Thursday. And without further ado, let's get into this. And step one, of course, is the setup. Oh, where did the... Oh, there's my coffee. Whoa! Test, 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 test. Oh, that's too loud. And why is only that drawer showing? Cool! Oh, setup. You're so much fun. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be the end of me. Most of the time, I'm gonna be honest, I'm just guessing. Editing Rachel, you can attest to this. Most of the time, my videos are overexposed, underexposed, and then I look at all of my footage, whether it's too green or magenta. Lighting is my nemesis. Oh my gosh, there. Okay, now we just need to stay like this for the whole video. Oh wait, I have to put on a headband. Oh man. Basically, it's all about making the space inside the frame look as clean and neat and beautiful as possible, even though outside of it, you guys all know this, it looks like somebody loaded a cannon full of makeup and just like exploded on all. Actually, you know what? That sounds really fun. Step 2 is the filming process. And the filming process is interesting because I'll film for like 70 to 90 minutes and only 10 to 15 minutes actually makes it into the video. And so you may be saying, Rachel, what happens in the other like hour worth of footage? Well, that's not where I wanted the glitter to be. It's supposed to give... Hello, what are doing? No, not doing much. What you doing? Oh, I'm just dropping products all over the place. Want to say hi to YouTube? Need more coffee. Cuppy, 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 cup, cup. Are there any like chips in here? The brush is nice and fluffy. Oh no, focus. Focus. Oh, I found crackers. I mean, it's not Doritos, but no, stop focusing on my seashells. Okay, you can go in now.
I want your today.
Oh, thank you. There we go. So that is the brush right there, nice and nourishing nourishing waxes. Don't seize. Oh, no. Don't breathe. Okay, maybe breathe. You're getting a little lightheaded. Is that something more over here? Okay. Will it come out of its package? Will it not? Who's to say? Eyeliner, where are you? Oh, found you. Oh, thank you. Yes, I will. I will put the polar bear right here. See if that makes any sort of a difference in terms of the way that it glides on. Maybe if we put... Okay, what? Glowy Gossamer. Okay, I was right. Oh, right, still filming. And now the tutorial is complete. You have finished the makeup look, so the video is done, right? Wrong, because now you get to do the full 5 minutes of really uncomfortable close-up footage. This is by far the weirdest part of this entire process. Just hanging out, no problem at all. To me, it's kind of like vlogging. Like, I go out in public and I'll vlog and I feel a little uncomfortable because I'm like, people are looking at me, I feel really weird. But then you look at the footage on your computer and like, this is amazing. True quality camera stuff. And then for the thumbnail, I'll either remember to take photos, in which case I take like 3,000 or 4,000 different photos of myself. But oftentimes I will just forget and I'll have to go through all the footage and try and find a screenshot that kind of makes sense. And then of course, we cannot forget Editing Rachel. For those of you that are new to my channel, Editing Rachel is me, but it's the sassiest version of me. When I'm sitting at the computer editing myself, I like to add little sarcastic comments about, you know, how crooked my wing liner is, or, you know, throw emojis all over my face. Try and add emojis when I'm moving all over the place. Try that. Yeah, I bet that's all fun. And just like that, a makeup tutorial is born. Another one to add to the internets. And actually, fun fact is that the tutorial that you just saw was the behind the scenes of the tutorial that I put up last Sunday. So you can go and check out the tutorial over here and laugh because you know what happened behind the scenes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click on the little subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.